Hi guys, so today we are diving into the bowl of pure comfort with a dish that's classic for a reason, mac and cheese. We are taking this beloved dish to the next level with a recipe that's creamy, dreamy and oh so cheesy. Forget the boxed stuff, we are making it from scratch with a blend of delicious cheese and a few secret ingredients for the ultimate mac and cheese experience. Get ready for the symphony of cheesy goodness. Whether you are a kid or a kid-like heart, this recipe is guaranteed to satisfy your craving. I'll guide you through every step from creating the perfect cheese sauce to baking it to golden perfection. So now let's create a mac and cheese masterpiece together. So now let's begin. So first in a hot pan add 500 ml milk. Then add 200 grams macaroni. Add some salt to taste. And then keep mixing it and cook it until the pasta is cooked. And until the milk is nice and thick. Make sure the consistency is something like this. Then at this point add 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon paprika powder and then cook it for few seconds. Let the paprika and pepper nicely cook with the pasta. Then add 100 grams grated cheddar cheese and then cook it until the cheese is nicely melted. Cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Make sure the consistency is something like this. Then take 3 ramekin molds and simply fill it with the macaroni and cheese mix. Make sure to fill it nicely, pressing it down and even on the sides. Then simply sprinkle some grated cheddar cheese on top. Be generous while adding the cheese. Make sure to add it even on the sides. Then bake it at 220 degrees for about 10 minutes or until the cheese is nicely melted and gets a nice golden brown color. So the macaroni and cheese is ready. And there you have it guys, the ultimate cheesy mac and cheese. I hope you enjoyed making this comfort food classic with me. Don't forget to let me know in the comments how your mac and cheese turned out. Please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more delicious recipes. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.